If you sell products or services, there's a Facebook ad feature you can use to make more sales than you're making right now. It's called the Facebook Commerce Manager, and I'm going to cover everything you need to know about it right now. So, what is Facebook Commerce Manager? Commerce Manager is the central tool for all of your online selling activity across Facebook and Instagram. You can manage your product catalogs, set up a shop, view sales activity, and enable checkout if your business is eligible. Whether you run a small shop or work with an e-commerce partner to manage your inventory such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or any of these other partners, Commerce Manager can help you be a more efficient and effective seller. So if you've ever seen someone with an Instagram shop or a Facebook shop and thought, man, I wish I could do that, how are they doing that? This is how. Now let's look at those 4 key features of the Commerce Manager in a little bit more detail, starting with catalogs. Catalogs are where you add all of the information about items you want to promote and sell on Facebook and Instagram. And you can create and manage them from one place with Commerce Manager. Morgan has a great video on how to set up your Facebook catalog, so I will link that below if you need it. Next is the setup of Facebook and Instagram shops. The shop makes it easy for people to browse and buy your products within Facebook and Instagram. Set up your shop in Commerce Manager and customize it as you go. Morgan has a video on that as well, so I will link that below too. Then we have customizable collections. Add new collections around seasonal events, promotions, upcoming launches, or trends to help people find more of what they'll love. And lastly, we have valuable insights about your shop. Find out how your audience interacts with your shop and get performance insights that help you make informed decisions to drive growth for your business. Now, with Commerce Manager Insights, you can do a few things. You can explore full funnel conversion insights, including performance by products and variants, along with breakdowns by content type and publisher in the tagged content report. You can track sales and orders for the date range you specify, along with a comparison percentile relative to the prior period in the overview and performance reports. You can see which products in your catalog are viewed, added to wish list, and purchased in the catalog report. And you can learn about your shop visitors, their demographics, and where they found your shop in the audience and discovery reports. So essentially, Commerce Manager is a platform to manage your catalog and sales on Facebook and Instagram. Anyone can use Commerce Manager to create and manage a catalog, which again holds all the items that you want to promote on your platform. You don't need a shop to use Facebook Commerce Manager. However, if you sell physical products, you can choose to set up a shop on Facebook, Instagram, or both. And this creates a commerce account for you and unlocks additional tools in your Commerce Manager. You can only select one catalog to connect to your shop, and you can continue to edit this catalog, but you cannot switch to a different catalog later. After you've set up a shop, you can use Commerce Manager to manage and customize your shop and featured collections and get insights about customers and popular items like we just talked about. If your business is enabled for checkout on Facebook or Instagram, you can also use Commerce Manager to view payouts, manage finances, fulfill orders, and process returns. Offer purchase protection to customers, use Inbox to respond to customer messages, and review your delivery and customer service performance. Which, by the way, beginning June 5th of this year, any new shops you create will use checkout with Facebook and Instagram. If you have shops created before June 5th, you have until April 24th of 2024 to enable checkout with Facebook or Instagram. All right, so now that we've covered a Facebook Commerce Manager overview, let's talk about how to set up a commerce account in Commerce Manager. You're going to go to your Ads Manager account, hit All Tools, and click Commerce Manager. It should be at the top, or you can find it at the bottom under Sell Products and Services. On this screen, it says to start selling your items on Facebook and Instagram, add a shop. During setup, you'll be able to connect an existing catalog of inventory you'd like to sell or create a new one. So if you've already got your catalog set up, again, something Morgan shows you how to do in this video, that's going to save you a lot of time here. You're going to hit the blue Add Account button where it says Add a Commerce Account for your business. You will be able to choose a catalog to connect or set up a new one. So first, it's going to have you set up your shop. Setting up a shop is free and only takes a few minutes. Our 5% selling fee is waived through June 30th of 2023. So if you're setting up your shop after that date, you're going to have a selling fee from Facebook. Few things about setting up a shop here. You've got fast and seamless checkout, where it says let customers browse and buy directly in-app with checkout on Facebook and Instagram. Payment credentials are saved for future purchases. Access to exclusive features. Tag products in posts and stories. Get detailed audience insights and let shoppers subscribe to your emails. and integrations with partner platforms. If you use Shopify, BigCommerce, or another platform, you can set up and manage your shop from your existing admin, which we talked about earlier. So then hit next, and you'll want to select the right sales channel, products, and checkout method for your business. From there, you will add your products, add your website, set up shipping and returns, and preview one last time before completing. And again, if you've already set up your product catalog, this will go a lot faster. Now, I want to give an overview of how to navigate Commerce Manager once you've got it set up. But first, I have to mention really quickly that if you'd rather have professionals just handle all of this for you, you should know we perform profitable Facebook and Instagram marketing for small businesses of all industries every day. So if you want a free custom quote and proposal, fill out our contact form linked below. All right, let's go over how to navigate your Commerce Manager. You can use the following tools in Commerce Manager. First up, we got Overview. See an overview of your catalog, issues to fix, and suggested actions. If you have a shop, you'll also see a summary of your sales activities. Then under Catalog, you have Items. View the items in your catalog. Sets. Create and manage sets of items in your catalog. You can use sets to run ads or to feature as collections in your shop. Issues, view any problems with your catalog and learn how to fix them. Data sources supply information about your items to your catalog. You can have multiple data sources, but they must all contain different items. Here you can add items, see your data sources, update them, and manage their settings. Events, manage your catalog's connections to events data sources like metapixels or app SDKs. You must connect a pixel or app SDK to your catalog to run Meta Advantage Plus catalog ads, formerly known as dynamic ads. Shops, set up and customize shops, a unified digital storefront to sell items on Facebook and Instagram. This tab appears if you sell physical products. Ads, explore ways to advertise items in your catalog and follow steps to set them up. Insights, this tab appears if you have a shop. Use it to get performance insights on your sales, items, and more. And settings, edit settings for your catalog. If you have a shop, you can also change certain commerce settings. Then you've also got checkout tools in Commerce Manager. Starting with orders, see customer orders that are pending, waiting to be shipped, or completed. Returns, accept return requests from customers, cancel requests, and issue refunds. Disputes, see any disputes that customers have opened. Payouts, find payout information and download financial reports and tax forms. Inbox, read and respond to customer messages. Account health, see an overview of your delivery and customer service performance. Education, learn about seller responsibilities, find answers to common questions, or contact support. And again, settings, edit additional commerce settings for your bank and tax information, order fulfillment locations, shipping profiles, and return policy. So if you feel like you're not getting much traction on your website yet, selling items out of your Commerce Manager may be a good place to start. You can start selling some products while bridging the gap in trust necessary from your consumers to buy from you. All right, now I want to wrap up with some important tips to know to get the most out of Facebook Commerce Manager. Number 1, add inventory and keep it updated in your catalog. Avoid canceled orders by making sure that inventory is up to date so customers don't accidentally purchase items that are out of stock. This helps prevent negative feedback. Include good product descriptions to encourage customers to buy from you. We tell you all the specifications to follow for your listings, titles, images, descriptions, and variants. Number 2, ship orders promptly and keep customers updated. You must ship orders within a default of 3 business days or within the handling time specified. We recommend you ship orders with multiple items in a single shipment whenever possible. Keep your customers updated about the shipping status of their orders. Depending on the type of shop you have, you can manually mark your orders as shipped or create and buy shipping labels in Commerce Manager. Provide valid tracking information so customers can check their order status. Number 3, respond in 2 business days. Check your customer service email often so customers can reach you in case of issues. Quick replies build trust and show customers that you value them. Number 4, follow your return policy. Make sure that you're prepared to handle returns for items in new and unused condition up to 30 days from delivery. And number 5, keep track of payouts and sales taxes. In Commerce Manager, you'll provide a bank account where your payouts will be directed and you can keep track of your payout details. Usually you get paid within 3 to 9 days. You'll also be able to download financial reports and tax forms so you can remit sales taxes we collect for you to the appropriate states. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and I will see you guys in the next video.